Hey guys, welcome to Pen Industry. Hope you are doing good. I am Dr. Aishwarya with you for easy learning and better understanding. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos. Today, our topic is collimator. What is collimator and where we use this? This is used in the X-ray while doing the X-ray. For what? For now we will going to study. It is the method by which one can control size and shape of the X-ray beam. Using this collimator, you are going to control the size as well as the shape of the X-ray beam. Radiation beam emitted by X-ray tube is shaped. The radiation which are coming out from the X-ray tube, you can shape this. If this is going like this, so you can shape this by using special diaphragm known as collimator. This is known as collimator. If your radiations are going in a divergent manner, it is deviated from not at the exact place where you want to strike. So at that time, we use a special diaphragm known as collimator to make your radiation in a linear manner, okay, or where your target is present. It decreases the risk of radiation. What it decreases? It decreases the risk of radiation, minimize scattering. You can see this is going in a linear manner, minimize scattering radiation, and decreases the fog. Fog is you are not going to get the clear image. This is fog. With sharp image, what it do? It sharpen the image and better contrast is given by collimator. Collimators are of two type. You can use this in intraoral as well as extraoral. In intraoral, we use fixed collimator, and in extraoral it can be adjustable. Now we are going for the types of collimators. Diaphragm radiograph. It is thick plate of radio-opaque material with opening in it. What it is having? Radio-opaque material with what? With opening in it. It lies over the port in X-ray head, where it lies in the port of X-ray head by which X-ray beam emerge. From where the X-ray beam is emerging, it is present there. Aperture can be changed according to different shape and size as required. Okay, we can change the aperture for shape and size of the image. Tubular. The tube is opaque here. Diaphragm and tubular is used in combination to reduce the penumbra. Okay, what we do in tubular, we use diaphragm as well as tubular to reduce the penumbra. What is penumbra? If there is an image, if this is the image and the shadow is coming around the image, this is known as penumbra. The shadow is coming at periphery of the image, this is known as penumbra. So it decreases this. The longer the tube you use, you are going to get the smaller the penumbra of the image. Now there is a rectangular collimator. They limit the size here and it is larger than the X-ray film. The X-ray film which you are using, it is larger than that and it can be incorporated in film holding devices. Slit. In slit collimator, it is used in OPG as well as it used in CT. The source here, it is in CT, it is of two types, source collimator and detector collimator. What it is? Source collimator and detector collimator. In source collimator, it lies in front of the X-ray tube. How you are going to place? This is in front of the X-ray tube, and what it causes? It decreases the beam of the radiation. What it do is the beam of the radiation to form maximum required beam. For maximum beam, if you want maximum beam, so you are going to decrease the radiation. Radiation decreasing means you will make sure that all your beams get attracted by the target place. When scattering will be low, at that time your beam is going to hit the target. So here the radiation will decreases. Okay, it decreases the radiation and to form a maximum required beam, and it detect the emitted doses. What it do? It detect the emitted doses here. Detector, what in detector collimator, what it do? In detector collimator, position is directly placed in front of the detector. This detector collimator is placed in front of the detector and used to shield detector. It is used for the shielding of the detector to protect the detector against what? Against scattering radiation. It shields the detector. What it do? It shields the detector against scattering artifact. What it do? It prevents the artifact. Thank you for watching Pen Dentistry. To know more about me, links are in description box. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for the latest videos.